Hello, my name is Leighton and I'm the leader of learning for maths here at Coleg Gwent. Maths and English are two of the most important qualifications that you can have and are qualifications that every employer looks for. You also need them for everyday tasks like texting a friend, paying for shopping, finding your way around, or understanding information for your own safety. Maths and English are highly valued skills and our aim is to help you develop them. Regardless of your course choice, Maths and English will be an integral part of your studies. Whether that's calculating measurements for carpentry or brickwork, ordering stock, or invoicing and charging customers for your work. Also, as you progress through your chosen study route, you may get to a point where Maths and English are holding you back, now or in the future. Our aim is to develop these important skills alongside your main programme to help you achieve your GCSE in English and/or Maths, giving you the best chance to excel in the career of your choice and provide plenty of future opportunities. Our staff are supportive and our success rates and outcomes are excellent, so we are here to help you succeed. To discuss Maths and English further, or if you need any additional support, talk to your personal tutor.